My name is John Roach. I was previously an intern with MSC, and I'm currently a launch program associate with the solutions team. Before my internship experience, I didn't know what I wanted to do career-wise, but whatever it was, I wanted to be a problem solver. I had no idea how a career in manufacturing would lead me there, but I was willing to give it a shot. The work that MSC did was totally new to me, so I had to make a real effort to develop a baseline understanding of our business, our customers, our suppliers, and the products and services that we provided. I spoke to associates across the entire business about their roles, the work they were doing, and where they saw the future of the company. I learned that at MSC, we're solving problems every day for our customers, who range from making aerospace equipment and race cars to mac and cheese and cookies. When I gained familiarity with MSC, my managers presented me with a real business challenge and data we could leverage to shine a light on potential solutions. I was able to take this data and apply math and data science techniques that I was actively learning in school to uncover insights and potential solutions. I then put together a presentation of my analysis and results to inform decision-making for the company. The work that I did took off. I presented my analysis cross-functionally to a handful of VPs, and I ultimately had a one-on-one with Eric Gershman, our CEO, about my findings. As an intern, I was informing decision-making at the highest levels. I was a problem solver. Now I'm back as a member of the launch program, which is where I'm part of this network of other young professionals just like me at MSC as we complete personalized rotations through different functional areas of the business. Currently, I'm part of the solutions team, leveraging our data to provide insight into areas of our business where we can improve for our customer. MSC has allowed me to begin a career in problem solving, and there will always be room for more problem solvers in the manufacturing world, and at MSC in particular. I'd urge you to seek out those opportunities, take that open door, and grow where you're planted.